Please input administration. Manage user, press 1. Add user, press 1. Add administration, press 1. User ID, 0, 1, 1. If add, please input your password, fingerprint, goal, card. Please input the same password. Succeed, you can input continuously. Please input the same fingerprint. Please input the same fingerprint. Succeed, you can input continuously. Succeed. Add guest. Set a lock. User ID. Please input the same password. Succeed. Press stop. Please input the same tree. Please input the same tree. Succeed. Succeed. Read record. If delete, please input your password, fingerprint, card. Delete, please input administration. User. Read record. System setting. Set parameter, press 1. Turn volume. On Wi-Fi of device. Set time. Set long mode, press 1. Set unlock use time. Auto lock, press 1. Manual lock. 1. Set unlock use time. Please input unlock use time. Turn volume. Turn up, press 1. Turn down. Set parameter, press 1. Please input the time. System setting. Switch language. 中文请按1 English. English. Manage user, press 1. Exit. Wi-Fi.